Wish you very good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you are fine and safe at home. Myself Anshu Narang from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Kids, I am back with the new topic, seasons. Kids, in India there are 4 main seasons: summer, rainy, winter and spring. So kids, speak with me. Summer, rainy, winter and fourth is spring. So kids, in summer the days are hot. In summer the days are hot. We use light color cotton clothes. We like to have ice creams, cold drinks and juice in summer season. Kids, in rainy season we use umbrella, we use raincoat and gum boots. In winter season the days are cold. In winter season the days are cold. We wear woolen or warm clothes like this. Kids, we like to have hot soup and hot milk in winter season. In spring it is neither hot nor cold. This is the most pleasant season of the year. Kids, flowers bloom everywhere in spring season. So kids, now we will learn to identify the names of seasons. So now open your general awareness workbook, page number 68 and 69. Mention the date and class book at the top and don't forget to sharpen your pencil. So kids, tell me, look at this picture, kids. In this picture, the kids are playing near the beach and the sun is shining brightly. So tell me, kids, which season is this? This is summer season. Very good. This is summer season. So what's the spelling of summer season? S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Repeat with me. S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. And what's the spelling of season? S-E-A-S-O-N, season. So we will write here summer season. First we will write capital cursive S. Write with me, kids, in a beautiful handwriting. S U M M E R. S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Then we will write season. What we will write? Season. S-E-A-S-O-N. Summer season. What's the spelling of summer season, kids? S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. S-E-A-S-O-N, season. Now move to the next. Kids, in this picture, this boy is using an umbrella and gum boots. So kids, tell me, in which season we use an umbrella and gum boots? In rainy season. In rainy season, we use an umbrella and gum boots. So which season is this? This is rainy season. And what's the spelling of rainy? R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Learn with me, kids. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. So we will write here rainy season. We will write here capital cursive R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. And what's the spelling of season? S-E-A-S-E-A-S-O-N. Very smart you are. S-E-A-S-O-N, season. This is rainy season. Move to the next picture, kids. In this picture, this is a snowman. This is a snowman. And tell me, kids, in which season we wear woolen clothes? In which season we wear woolen clothes? In winter season. Very good. In winter season, we wear woolen clothes. So, which season is this? This is winter season. And what's the spelling of winter? W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Learn with me. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. So we will write here winter season. Very good. So we will write here capital cursive W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Winter season. S-E-A-S-O-N, winter season. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. S-E-A-S-O-N, season, winter season. Now move to the next picture, kids. In this picture, there is greenery everywhere and flowers are blooming. Which season is this? This is spring season. Very good. This is spring season. And what's the spelling of a spring season? S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. So we will write here spring season. Learn the spelling with me, kids. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring season. S-E-A-S-O-N, spring season. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. S-E-A-S-O-N, season. Now, learn these spellings with me, kids. This is summer season. This is summer season. S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. S-E-A-S-O-N, season, summer season. This is rainy season. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. S-E-A-S-O-N, season, rainy season. This is winter season. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. S-E-A-S-O-N, season, winter season. This is spring season. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. S-E-A-S-O-N, season, spring season. So kids, complete this work in your general awareness workbook, page number 68, 69, 70 and 71, and color these pictures beautifully, and don't forget to identify the name of the seasons, and don't forget to learn the spellings also. Kids, now we will learn to read more about rainy season. So kids, now open your GK and conversation book, page number 3, and mention the date and class book at the top. So let's start reading with me. The topic is rainy season. So kids, this is an umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. This is an umbrella. This is rain cap. R-A-I-N, rain, C-A-P, cap, rain cap. This is a rain cap. This is rain coat. R-A-I-N, rain, C-O-A-T, coat, rain coat. These are gum boots. These are gum boots. G-U-M, gum, B-O-O-T-S, boots, gum boots. So kids, we use these things in rainy season. We use an umbrella, rain cap, raincoat, gum boots in rainy season. So kids, move to the next. This is water. W-A-T-E-R, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Kids, we can see water in rainy season. Now, this is frog. F-R-O-G, frog. F-R-O-G, frog. And this is snail. S-N-A-I-L, snail. S-N-A-I-L, snail. And this is slug. S-L-U-G, slug. S-L-U-G, slug. And this is earthworm. E-A-R-T-H, earth. W-O-R-M, worm. Earthworm. Kids, we can see these creatures in rainy season. Now we will learn some question answers. So let's start with me. First question is HOW, how. M-A-N-Y, many. S-E-A-S-O-N-S, seasons. A-R-E-R-T-H-E-R-E, there. I-N-N, I-N-D-I-A, India. How many seasons are there in India? Tell me kids, how many seasons are there in India? In India, I-N-N-I-N-D-I-A, India. In India. T-H-E-R-E, there. A-R-E-R, F-O-U-R, four. S-E-A-S-O-N-S, seasons. In India, there are 4 seasons. The first is S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. This is summer. W-H-E-N, when. I-T-H-I-S, is. H-O-T, hot, when it is hot. Summer, when it is hot. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. The second is winter. W-H-E-N, when. I-T-H-I-S, is. C-O-L-D, cold, when it is cold. This is winter. Summer, winter. M-O-N-S-O-O-N, monsoon. M-O-N-S-O-O-N, monsoon or rainy. W-H-E-N, when. I-T-H-R-A-I-N-S, rains, when it rains. Summer, winter, monsoon or rainy. The next is A-N-D and S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. W-H-E-N, when. T-H-E, the. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers, when the flowers. B-L-O-O-M, bloom, when the flowers bloom. Which season is this? This is spring. So kids, there are 4 seasons: summer, winter, monsoon and spring. So kids, the next question is W-H-A-T, what. D-O-Do, Y-O-U, you. W-E-A-R, where. O-N, on, R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. D-A-Y, day. What do you wear on a rainy day? I-W-E-A-R, wear. R-A-I-N, rain. C-O-A-T, coat, rain coat. A-N-D, and. G-U-M, gum. B-O-O-T-S, boots. I wear raincoat and gum boots. O-N, on. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. D-A-Y, day. What do you wear on a rainy day, kids? I wear raincoat and gum boots on a rainy day. I wear raincoat and gum boots on a rainy day. Now move to the next question, kids. W-H-I-C-H, which. R-A-I-N, rain. C-R-E-A-T-U-R-E-S, creatures. D-O-Do, Y-O-U, you. S-E-E-C-D-U-R-I-N-G, during. the THE, the RAINY, rainy, SEASON, season. Which rain creatures do you see during the rainy season? Which rain creatures do you see during the rainy season? Let's read the answer. WEVSEEC. We see SNAILS, snails. FROGS, frogs. EARTH, earth. WORMS, earthworms. AND, and. SLUGS, slugs. DURING, during. THE, the. RAINY, rainy. SEASON, season. We see snails, frogs, earthworms and slugs during the rainy season. Again learn with me. We see snails, frogs, earthworms and slugs during the rainy season. Now move to the next kids. WHERE, where. DOES, does. SNAIL, snail. LIVE, live. Where does a snail live? A snail lives in a shell. Now let's read the answer. SNAIL, snail. LIVES, lives. SHELL, shell. A snail lives in a shell. A snail lives in a shell. Now let's revise. So kids, this is an umbrella. UMBRELLA, umbrella. And this is rain cap. RAIN, rain. CAP, cap, rain cap. This is rain coat. RAIN, rain. COAT, coat, rain coat. And these are, what are these kids? These are gum boots. GUM, gum. BOOTS, boots. Gum boots. Kids, we use these things in rainy season. This is water. WATER, water. Now this is snail. SNAIL, snail. This is snail. Now this is frog. FROG, frog. This is slug. SLUG, slug. And this is earthworm. EARTH, earth. WORM, worm, earthworm. Kids, we use these creatures, we see these creatures in rainy season. We can see these creatures in rainy season. Now move to the next kids. Let's revise these question answers with me. How many seasons are there in India? How many seasons are there in India? In India, there are 4 seasons. Summer, when it is hot. Winter, when it is cold. Monsoon or rainy, when it rains. And spring, when the flowers bloom. Now move to the next question, kids. What do you wear on a rainy day? What do you wear on a rainy day? I wear raincoat and gum boots on a rainy day. I wear raincoat and gum boots on a rainy day. Now move to the next question. Which rain creatures do you see during the rainy season? Which rain creatures do you see during the rainy season? We see snails, frogs, earthworms and slug. During the rainy season, we see snails, frogs, earthworms and slugs during the rainy season. Now the next question is, where does a snail live? Where does a snail live? A snail lives in a shell. A snail lives in a shell. So kids, do reading practice from your GK and conversation book, page number 3, and revise these question answers also. Bye bye. Have a good day.